Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolarias Corriascos. I'm going to talk about the given location. Let's start. There is a station behind the bank. There are department store behind. There is a bookstore behind the department store. There is a flower shop between the bookstore and the shoe store. There is a bakery in front of the barber shop. There is a beauty salon in a corner. There is a post office to the left side of the gas station. There is a park near the library. There is a hospital around the corner. There is a park near the hospital and the fire station. There is a car parked in front of the bookstore. There are two cars in front of the fire station. There is a police bus near the fire station. There is a toy store between the pet shop and the arcade. There are 6 streets in the town. Thank you, teacher, very much.